peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations and I am just trying to stay busy. So headed on down here to my happy place. I had a lot of leftover paints from experimenting and playing yesterday, so I kind of just dumped them all in a cup, and I'm gonna do my best to try to do a beautiful cloud pour. Our canvas is already prepped. It's prepped with Artist Loft White mixed with Floetrol. I've got about 1 part paint to 2.5 parts Floetrol, which I strained. Make sure you strain that stuff because there's lots of goobers and we don't like goobers in our paint. Our colors today are Chroma Molten Metal Metallics, and this is Regal Blue. Our second color is a mix of the Regal Blue with just a little bit of our Black by Golden. I wanted to put some Payne's Gray in here, but I was out of Payne's Gray, so I kind of mixed up a hue that looks very similar to Payne's Gray. So the blue goes in your cup, just a drop or two of the Carbon Black, mix that baby up, and it's a really pretty shade. Our next color is Golden Quinacridone Magenta, right there. Yummy color. We have our Golden Magnesium Blue hue. We have our Chroma Molten Metals Emerald Green. And our Golden Titanium White mixed with just a little bit of satin enamel. Probably about a tablespoon mixed in with this titanium white. I'm gonna go ahead and get rocking and rolling, put some music on. As always, guys, I am so grateful that you joined me here, and I am hoping that you are all staying healthy and well. Happy painting day or evening to each and every one of you guys.